All right, this is from AP. Thank you for submitting a ticket. Wi-Fi network randomly disconnects and reconnects multiple times a day. Wi-Fi network keeps disconnecting and reconnecting randomly throughout the day. All-in-one modem router is being used, and up to 20 to 25 are using a gigabit connection. That's a lot of people, including a video security system. Issues occurs for all devices. ISP tried to fix the issue but could not fix the issue. So you got lots of people trying to connect to this. First thing first, I mean, do a bandwidth test just to make sure that that is taken care of. That means that's straightened out. That's your first step. Well, I'm going to list what I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you what I think it is. Hello, this is Irvin with PC support. You're thinking about Wi-Fi issue. Please follow below steps. 1. Test. I'm gonna put this in one. Test signal strength and bandwidth. Bandwidth. That's number 1. Number 2. Make sure there is no limit of how many people can connect to the router. So you can have a limit of how many people can connect. I showed this before. I really don't have time to get into it right now, but you can go to a website that I have. Go to my channel, and I know this is not me just trying to not talk about this. I'm going to talk about it, but I have a video that talks about it in detail. Go to my channel and kind of browse through these help desk tickets, and or just do a search on how to set up Wi-Fi network so that there is enough IP addresses allowed to connect. So if you got 20 to 25 people, 20 to 25 people connecting, the router may have a limit of how many people can connect. This is related to IP address. This is related to how many IP addresses a router can or is allowed to handle. So log in to into your router. So I'm assuming this is one of those ISP routers, modems all in one. Okay, this is probably one of those things, and it sounds like you have a small office, relatively small. I mean, 20 to 25 devices. Still could be an office with like 15 people, and if all those people are also connecting their phones to Wi-Fi, this and that, then you can run out of these IP addresses. So go in, and there is a setting inside of it. This is web-based, so it's usually like, I don't know, 192.168.1. Anyways, you can figure out the IP address, which should be the same as your gateway. So if you go command line and go to type in IP config/all, and if you look at, see, I'm connected with the Wi-Fi, and look at where the DHCP server is. Okay, and then type that in. Watch. Control C, type that in. It's going to take you to the login. You see, right away, I have ATT. Okay, so there you go. Go in here and go to, I don't know, home network. I haven't done it on this one here, but look for network settings. and look for how many people are allowed to connect to Wi-Fi. It's probably going to be in the Wi-Fi settings. Wi-Fi settings. Whatever, it's in here somewhere. So it's in Wi-Fi settings. I don't mess with this one here too much. So anyways, it's going to be inside of Wi-Fi settings and how many people are allowed to connect to it. Let's see, 3. Number 3 could be that the router is not able to handle too many connections. And this is possible, okay? This is possible because router can start to heat up when it has a lot of connections to it. The router itself is a computer too. So if you push it to the max, there's an off chance. There is an off chance that it's overheating. Okay, number 4, possibly get a dedicated Wi-Fi router and use that instead. And I'm saying this I hope that helps. I'm saying this because these modems and these routers that you get from ISP, Internet Service Provider, they may not be that good of a quality. I don't know. I'm just saying. I'm guessing here. So these are some of the things that will possibly get you into the right answer.